Hello. Today we're going to set up a blog using Google Blogger. So the first thing you need to do is to have a Google account. So you want to go to Google, set up an account. I have an existing account that I use with my Gmail. You may have an account with YouTube. But once you have your account set up, you want to sign in. I use my Gmail name and password. Sign in. Go there, click it. And then I want to go to Blogger. So the quickest way for me to get there, I do have it bookmarked, but I'll just come up here and type in blogger.com. And because I have an account, it brings me to my Blogger account. I do have a blog already, but so you wouldn't see this. You would be starting new. But you would have this icon here to click a new blog, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to click new blog. And I'm going to give it a name, so I'll call it T Ward Photoshop stuff. I like that terminology. An address, so we can add an address, TW Photoshop at blogspot.com. So I'd have that. Or yeah, I bet it's the underscore in there. So we'll keep the underscore out. So I'll go back to Photoshop. And I'll just go. This one's that. So the underscore was the problem. So we'll go there. Template, we can come back and look at some of the other templates or which one you want to pick now. You can change your templates later. Maybe I'll go with dynamic views, see what that one's about. I haven't viewed all these, and some of it's going to be trial and error and finding it, but you want to get it started, and then you'll feel comfortable adding stuff as more you do it. So I'll hit create blog. I don't want a domain name right now, so I'm just going to keep this right now. So I'm going to just say no thanks. And it brings me to my overview page. To let me know how many hits and things I've been getting on my blog after I get it up and running. You can buy stuff, just trying to do this. So this is free. That's why we're using this. So then I would go to my post here, the next. So I'm at the new post page. So I want to do a new post. I'm going to select new post here. I'm going to give my post a name. So I have my photos from summer vacation 2016. I'll use that in my, that's just names my post. I put that here as my title. Select that, make that a header. Come down, I want to add some photos. Now I've already uploaded some photos, but you would choose files to upload. Pick the files, say open there, right, cancel. But then it puts it into this photo manager for your blog, and every photos that you put up, put there. So I'm going to put them all in. So I'll select all of these and add selected. So then underneath of these, if I select, I can add a caption by clicking the photo and coming over here to add caption. And select this one, add a caption. And this one, I'll add a caption. So then I have my photos here, and I can see what this looks like on my blog by coming up here to it says preview. And this is kind of what it would look like. I have my photos there. I click on the photo, gives a larger version of it. And go back. The blog doesn't assist, so let's go back here. So it wouldn't let me bring me back, but I'll do the preview again. And I can see my different photos are there and any other ones there. So if I do like this, I can come back to here and then I would hit publish. So I checked spelling, looked at things. It's like, yep, I like that layout. I like what I'm seeing here. And I'm going to hit publish. I'm not going to share or do any of that. I'm just going to hit cancel for this. And then I can view the blog. So I come up here to view my blog to see what it looks like. And here's my address to the blog archive. Let's see what we have. The first one here, July 1st, and then it gives me what to have going on there. So if I click on that, that would be a direct link to the blog I just made. So I can copy that and send that in as my direct link. So then I have my photos here. Now if I do click on them, it should go back to the blog, and it does because it exists. And let's see, it does shrink up. I use dynamic, so it should work on a phone. The template that I used, as you see, it shrinks as I scale it. So that's getting started. You can also embed videos in Blogger. So if I come back to this one, so this is my blog, I'm going to close that. This is my test preview, but this is where I was working, so that page is still open. I can do a new post, and I'll call this one Working with Quick Masks. And I have that. Come down here, and I'll copy this and do a paste, make that a header also. Come down here, and I want to insert a video this time. So I'm going to go insert a video, and I'm going to do my YouTube videos. And then it brings up my YouTube account. So if you had your own YouTube account, you can bring them from there, or you can bring them anywhere else you want. So this is the one I want to choose. So I have this. This kind of was playing around doing the avatar, and we have that, and we have that. I could preview this, and it's there. So I come back to here, and I'm going to hit publish, and I don't want to share that right now. I have that, and then I could click that and say view blog. And I would see my archives, and I have 2 from July and these 2 ones. So I can go to this one or back to Working with Quick Masks, and we'll see how that looks.
Hello, image editing, class 204-100 for the fall 2012.
So I have that, and that's getting started with the Blogger. Any questions, let me know. There's other tutorials out there, and have fun with this. And it's a good way to share your work with future employers, family, friends, future clients. It's a good way to get your work out there and organized into a good place without having to build a whole website and without having to pay to upkeep it.